Alright, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to change a breaker in your panel. I got a 200 amp panel here. First thing you're going to do is take out these screws and open the cover. So the first thing you want to do is make sure the one you're changing, they're both off. Then you pretty much pull it out and to the right or towards the out as you're doing it. I usually use a tool to do it, so I'm gonna put the camera down and take it out. Usually I have gloves on and a plastic tool to push it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll come back to the video once it's out. Okay, so now that it's off, I can obviously, first of all, there's no power in it anymore, right? And I can see why it wasn't working. Look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see that. You can't see it in detail. Oh, there you go. You can see that it was burnt, and then when I look at the one on the inside, it is also burnt. But as far as replacing it goes, now what you do is unscrew these two, and then when you bring in the new one, you put it in here, the wires, and these holes here, and then tighten these screws. And then if you see that hook there, which I'll show you later, this back part right here under my finger, that's where it hooks, this front. Sorry, let me show you right here. This part is like a hook, and it will hook on to that metal. So you put it in like this, you hook it on, and then click this back metal part into that metal. That's how you put it back. But I'll show you again when I'm doing it. Just wanted to explain it to you because it will be hard once it's on it. Alright guys, I'm back. So what I ended up doing is I took that one out because I don't want to turn off the main right now to clean that up. So what I did is I had a slot open here, this one here. So I bent the wire, I pushed it down as much as I can, and I bent it down and I put it in that one, and I just tightened it and switched it on, and I got the power I needed where it went. For now, I want to show you how to put this back. So we're gonna hook that. Can't see it, but we hook that so it stands out here, right? And you just push it in, and now you can just switch this one back on, and we're back in action. But yeah, that's pretty much how you do that. For safety reasons, you can always switch the main breaker off, and you would turn that off. Basically, that turns off all power to the panel, so then you can work freely without worrying about getting shocked. But as far as changing breakers, if you're not a professional, I would turn off the main anyway. I'm not a professional either, but I've done enough to know what I'm doing, to feel safe about doing it and not worry about that. So when you switch these off, this breaker has no power. All these lines look dangerous, but when you switch everything off, the only danger thing in here is this coming in to this panel and these metals behind the breakers. Thanks for watching. Also subscribe if you want random videos of doing things yourself. Appreciate it.